Hey, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at crypto.com. I'm going to be doing a fundamental review of this project. We are covering it once a week from a technical standpoint, but right now we're going to be doing a fundamental analysis. So I do want to say that I'm not a financial advisor. You should do your own research before investing money into crypto. All right, so we're looking at crypto.com, their CRO token or CRO coin, and you can see that they do have a 4.8 billion market cap. The total supply of tokens is 30,263,000,000 tokens, with 83% in circulation already, which is sitting at 25.2 billion tokens. So in terms of the tokenomics, this price has a lot of places to go. For example, if we have a 30 billion market cap, that would bring us to $1. All right. Well, that is if we have a fully diluted supply, right? Or we do have all the tokens in circulation. But right now, we need $25.2 billion in the market cap for us to be at $1. And that's pretty much a 5x from here, okay? And I think that's achievable. And I do think we even can get to $2 in this bull market. That is still possible. A lot of partnerships with this company. It's really incredible. Okay, so let's just read a bit about it. What is crypto.com? Crypto.com is the native currency token of the crypto.com chain, a decentralized open source blockchain developed by the crypto.com payment, trading, and financial services company. Crypto.com chain is one of the products in Crypto.com's lineup of solutions designed to accelerate the global adoption of cryptocurrencies as a means of increasing personal control over money, safeguarding user data, and protecting users' identities. The CRO blockchain serves primarily as a vehicle that powers the Crypto.com Pay mobile payments apps. In the future, Crypto.com plans to expand the reach of the CRO platform to power its other products as well. So the token went live in December 2018. So it's been almost 3 years, and I think this project has done well. Now you can look at the volume of their exchange, and it's not doing too great at the minute. I mean, last I checked, but you know, you need time for these sort of things, and you need to invest in these projects when they're growing, and they do have a lot of partnerships. For example, I am going to leave a link to all these websites that I do have right now. So if we go to partnerships, okay, Paris Saint-Germain, a football club, okay, is partnering up with crypto.com. Next up, we do have UFC. There we go. And we do have Formula One. Okay, these are the top 3 that I know of, and I'm gonna leave a link to this website. So this is their blog, and I'm gonna have this link to partnerships and events. Okay, speaking of events, if we go to CoinMarketCap, you can see they did have a lot of events over here, but now we're anticipating the Cronus mainnet launch, and we do have this token 2049 in Hong Kong. But we are waiting for this mainnet. Obviously, this will have a nice impact on the price. In my opinion, we will get a nice bump in the price, I think, from this. So we're gonna have an accumulation period all the way to, you know, October 18th, 17th, and then I think we're gonna have a little dump on October 19th. So that's just my opinion, okay? So we do have the partnerships over here. If we go to their website, crypto.com, cryptocurrency in every wallet. We are on a mission to accelerate the world's transition to cryptocurrency. So basically, they want, you know, world mass adoption, which pretty much every project in the crypto space wants, right? And yeah, why it matters. It's your basic right to control your money, data, and identity. Well, I do agree with that. Our mission begins with empowering users. Meet our advisory board. So you want to take a look at all their team at their advisory board. Search them up on Twitter, see how active they are. I mean, it is pretty just by looking at the project and at the partners, you can get an idea that this is a serious project and they do have serious goals, and that this is just the beginning, obviously. So, real nice team. We consider clarity of thought to be the single most important trait we look for in our colleagues. We think about the message we want to deliver before we speak and know what is important and what is not. We are conscious and articulate, putting effort into making things simple and easy to understand. So you can join their team if that's something that you're looking at. They do have all the contacts, resources, company, all below here. And if we go to their products, they do have an app. They do have the metal Visa cards, which we'll get into in a minute. They do have a wallet. They do have an earned DeFi protocol. They do have farming, and you can leverage trade as well, which I don't recommend, and margin trading as well. They do have an exchange. Okay, and yeah, you can take credits, you can do whatever you want. You can stake, a lot of things you can do in this project. It's really great, but what I think is the best thing. So right now, where are we? So yeah, this is get the credit limit you want, not the one you're giving. So basically, this means that you can have your crypto as collateral. For example, you have $10,000 in Bitcoin or $75,000 in Bitcoin, and you want to receive credit in USDT or USDC, and then you're going to receive 50% of that, right? And if you're staking $40,000 in crypto.com, you get lower fees or lower interest. You're going to pay interest while you're doing this. So I'm just going to leave all these links in the description. And yeah, and moving up, we do have staking. So you can deposit your tokens, whatever you want to stake, and you can deposit the amount of USD you have, and you can calculate your rewards, which I think is cool. So you're going to know in advance how much you're going to be making. So they do have Litecoin, Cosmos, Ethereum, Cardano, BNB, Chainlink, Engine, Elrond, Uniswap, Dogecoin, Polygon, Polkadot, VeChain, Basic Attention Token, Stellar, Tether, Bitcoin. So yeah, they do have pretty much every single top crypto, and yeah, I think they're gonna be massive coming in the future, right? I think they're gonna do incredibly well, and I do see their ads everywhere, Instagram, on the internet, everywhere. I see crypto.com, and that's not a bad thing necessarily, but I'm just stating a fact. Now we do have the credit cards. Now this is the most exciting thing, I guess, about this project. So they do have one, two, three, four, five tiers, and you do have non-staking and staking rewards. So if you're staking CRO tokens, you're gonna get better rewards. Okay. So the Midnight Blue, the Ruby Steel, the Royal Indigo and Jade Green, Frosted Rose Gold, and Icy White, and Obsidian. So you have these card benefits, cashback in crypto. You have withdrawal limits. So for Midnight Blue, you get $200 with free withdrawal per month, $400 for the steel one, for the Ruby Steel. Then moving up, we have $800, $1,000, and $1,000. But you have to have some staking in order to get these. So $0 Midnight Blue, Ruby Steel $400 CRO staked, Royal Indigo $4,000 CRO staked, Frosted Rose and Gold Icy White 40,000 staked, and Obsidian $400,000 staked in CRO. So these are big amounts of money, but you do get nice rewards. But I think the average Joe can afford a Ruby Steel, right? And it's really cool. It's really cool paying with crypto. Not sure if you want to be, paying with crypto that you think is going to do great in the future, but what you can do is just put your money into crypto, the money that you were going to spend anyway, and then just pay with it, just to bring that mass adoption and be a part of the revolution. In my opinion, that's something that you can do. But yeah, we've taken a look at the partners. We've taken a look pretty much at everything this project has to offer. Obviously, I'm not like doing a super deep dive because I want you to do your own research into the project to understand, to better understand the tokenomics, better understand their goals and what really the project is all about before investing your money and finding out if this suits you. Okay, that's the important thing. But yeah, I'm looking forward to this project. They do have 10 plus million users, 90 plus supported countries, 30 plus local communities, and 2,500 employees. So it's looking great, guys. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you're involved in crypto.com. Great project, in my opinion. I'm going to catch you in the next one. Goodbye and good night.